This is the fun part about my job, making it all happen. You know, we've had a lot of spectators out here from the cities to the local people that live around here. They're all excited about this happening. It's a big deal for this community. My name is Jared Kinnison with Maxim Crane Sales and Project Management. I've been with Maxim for 7 years. I've been in the industry for 18 years. We have 8 cranes lifting the pipe going under the Platte River, about approximately 30 foot off the ground in the center to get the right angle for it to be going under the river.
No small order for the cranes that we have here. Being able to pull from large resource pool, I think, is real critical for what we needed here. And Maxim is a large company that has a lot of resources and is able to support that. My name is Mike Crawford. I'm a project manager for Michels Trenchless. I've been working for Michels Trenchless for 3 years. Been in the pipeline and construction industry for 20 years. We're here today installing this 54-inch water pipeline underneath the Platte River.
This is not just your average project. You know, this is 8 cranes that had to be sized appropriately, something that start to finish that we were a part of. Not just selling the job, it's following through with the job, making sure it happens till the end of it. Yeah, a lot of these customers, the reason they rent is for the quality project, the support that comes with it, you know, the mechanics and stuff that we provide to our clients.
My experience with Maxim is getting the equipment that we're demanding, right? We set out a plan of what we want through all the challenges that we have. We end up getting the stuff that we need, the equipment that we need. They show that they have the experience and the capability and knowledge to run their equipment. We're not, experts in cranes. That's why we bring Maxim in.
Customers come out here, they rely on us for the cranes to work right when they need them. And this is one of those jobs right here. It takes months for all this to come together, so great to be out here and actually see all the cranes in place and making it happen.